No. Who taught you how to do that? Who taught you to use your words? Huh? Yeah? Yeah? What? Do you want something? What do you want? What? What? Oh, God. What? Yes. I knew this was going to be a problem. I knew it. I knew it. Look at you. Look at you. Are you a pretty girl? Oh, stop jumping on me. Are you a pretty girl? Okay, let's go. Jeez. Let's go. Okay. What do you want? What? Okay. What? Let's go. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go.